Welcome to my new video. Today I want to show you how you can bypass FRP on Infinix Hot 12i. Infinix Hot 12i, and this is the Android 11. You can see this is the Android 11. So now you can see up here that it is factory locked. You can see that the FRP is activated on this phone. So now I want to show you a simple method you can use to bypass this. Now you click on your start. Okay, click on your start. Now you select your country. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm selecting Nigeria. So you click on next. So now you have come to your network. So what you do, you connect your Wi-Fi, get another phone, and then connect your Wi-Fi. Connect your Wi-Fi. So I've activated my hotspot for it. So now, so let me connect. You can see that's connected. You can see connected. Now, since it has come here, you can see this option here. Once it has come here, what you do, once it has come to this place, pay attention very well. Once it has come to this menu here, in terms of use, what you do is you carry the phone that you used to hotspot this one. You now switch off the hotspot. Switch off the hotspot. Switch off the hotspot. I'm going to disconnect. The phone is running a little bit slow. Now you switch off the hotspot. So now you can see that the hotspot have gone, and also make sure there is no SIM card inside. Make sure there is no SIM card so that it doesn't connect to any network at all. So now I'm going to remove my SIM card because I don't want to access network at this time. So I've disconnected the SIM card. So now you can see. So now click on next. You can see Google services. Now you scroll down, accept. Now on this menu here, don't skip. Now select one of these options. Let's select for face unlock. Set a screen lock. Now use any option here. For me, I'm going to use pin. So now type in your pin. 7714. I prefer to use this. You can see. Now confirm. Once you confirm, you are going to see this menu here. Settings are stopped. Now click on app info. You can see that's open. Now you're going to see this option here, open settings. Now it has taken you to the settings of the phone. Now you scroll down to app management. You click on app management, then you click on app settings. Look at app settings, you enter. Now you look for Android setup. Okay, you click on Android setup. What you're going to do here, you're going to force stop. You can see once you force stop, the key will leave. The factory key is going to be deactivated. You can see. So it's showing you the time now. So now you click back, then you scroll down. You scroll down, and then you click on Google Play Services. You enter. You can see Google Play Services. Now what you do here is you come here, you clear the storage. Click clear the storage. So now it has taken you back to this option. but our settings is not complete. It took you back. Our settings is not complete. So now we are going to click any option again because we're not done. So let's create pin. So now you click on, insert your pin 7714. That's for any pin you want. So you can see settings have stopped. You enter. You can see that the factory key have come back. You can see that the factory key have come back. So now you go to settings. Scroll down to app management. You enter. So now you go to app settings. Okay. Now you see Android setup. You click and then you force stop. You click on stop. You can see that the time have come back. The factory key have been removed. Now you click back. What you do is you scroll down to Google Play Services. You click, okay. Now once you have come here, is what you do is you disable the app and then you force stop. Now after you force stop, you enter the settings and then you clear the cache. Okay, you can see now you have done. Don't enable it now. You go back, still go back. Now you have come to this home screen. Now what you do here is click on skip. You skip. So now you click on start. Click on start. Now you allow it to load. You allow it to load. Now you can see that you have successfully bypassed your FRP. Okay, but there is something to do. Enable Google Play Services so that some functions can be able to start working well. So now you go back to your app management. Click on app settings. Now you click on disabled apps. Now enable Google Play. So now you are done and your factory settings have been done. Okay, so now even though you restore this phone now, everything is going to be working fine. So for the benefit of doubt, let's restart the phone and see. You can see. So now just be patient. It's going to restart now. You can see the phone has restarted. Just be patient, let the phone boot, and then you see that how the work has been done. So you can see it's booting. So let's wait patiently for it to boot. Okay, the booting will soon be completed. So you can see that it is done. You can see. You can see that it has been done successfully. So thank you for watching and see you again in my next video. Bye for now. Okay.